Hi, I'm Cam Kelly, and I'm on site for day 5 of Women's Build 2K16, and today I'm going to make a short video showing you how to prep for trusses. Before trusses can go on, we must finish the cap plate on the wall, which is a 2x4 resting on top of the top plate of every single wall. The purpose of the cap plate is to tie all the walls together. Thus, one cap plate will run from one wall, cross over to another wall, and be nailed down, crossing the seams between the two walls. Before trusses are installed, we must also brace and straighten the exterior long walls of the house. To do this, we will place a 2x4 on both ends of the wall, nail it down, and tie a string line to it. Thus, the wall should measure 1.5 inches out to the string line in every place along the wall. If possible, you can use a brace to push and pull the wall either direction. If not, you'll have to use a turnbuckle, screw it to the top of the wall, and turn it either direction in order to move the entire wall. It is important to straighten the wall so that the trusses sit flat on the top cap on both sides of the house. We will also install gable end nailers on the front and back of the house where the gable trusses will sit. These will be set 1.5 inches in from the exterior of the house on the top cap and run over the edge of the top cap inside the house. This will act as both a 2x4 to nail the gable truss into, as well as a nailer for the drywallers. It is also important to make sure that the porch beams are set, braced, and level before the trusses go on top of them. Before carrying the trusses over to the house to be set, it is helpful to make a mark 12 inches up on every truss and chalk a line. That way the person that goes into the attic to insulate it later has a mark to know how high to shoot the attic insulation. Before truss installation can start, we must make what we call Ys out of scrap 2x4. These Ys will be used to lift the trusses into place. We must lay out for trusses on both side exterior walls of the house. The layout will be 2 feet on center. Thus, when you hook your tape onto the end of the house, you'll make your first mark at 23 1/4 and your next mark at 24 3/4 and put an X in the middle for where the truss will sit. The final step of truss prep is to create rat run. Rat run are 2x4 boards that run along the base of the truss in order to stabilize them. Rat run will be made from 16-foot boards and will be marked 24 on center and then nailed through the truss with 2 16-penny nails. Guys, I appreciate you watching this video on truss prep, and I will see you when it's time to set these trusses.